Today's June 19th, 2022. This is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. There's another update, construction update on the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park. The horses is on. They just had to do the finishes touches on the carousel. They still have to put more animals on. So this is an update. The carousel looks good. These are the poles for the horses. They took off the horses. They put the horses on. So far it looks good. They still have to put more horses on. I give it about the 4th of July, the carousel is gonna be open. They almost done. They're almost done with this ride. The ride looks good. I can't wait to ride it.
Catching those updates?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
We're getting there.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait.
We can't either.
Yeah. There's a couple of my fans. There's another update. Another carousel update. The carousel looks good so far. Looking good. Carousel looks so good. They still have to put the carrots in. Some more animals. Yeah, put the lead horse back on. I see they did all the painting. You know, so they still got a lot of work. Still got a lot of work. I give it about another 2 more weeks. The carousel gonna be operating. 2 weeks is the 4th of July. And the park just said they want this ride up and running by the 4th. So my prediction is the 4th. So far the ride looks good. They still put some more animals on. I want to see if the band can put that on yet. Carousel looks good so far. Can't wait. Can't wait. The horses looks good. They redid the horses a few years ago, like back in 2017. They started restoring the horses. After they restored the horses, it took them 3 years to restore the horses. And then they restored the band organ. And after they restore that, then they want to restore the roof. They did that. Then Corbett came in and pushed things back. Now carousel looking great and ever. So 120 years this carousel is. Beautiful carousel. Carousel looking good. Looking good so far. So the band ogre's not in yet. They probably gonna do the band ogre last. So they still got a lot of work. But they painted the whole windows. They said I put the outside horses on. There's the queue line. Well, they still got a lot of work. They still got a lot of work. Well, it looks good. Looks good. This is the exit gate. So far, it looks good. The whole ride looks good. I'll be up and running by the 4th. So this is my construction update on the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park on Father's Day, June 19, 2022. You like the video, press like. I got some more updates coming next week and a couple more weeks. See you guys in the next adventure.